Hello, this is a very quick video of how I fix my FiveM. So, if you're watching this, you're getting something along the lines of what's here. And the way I fixed it was literally just going onto Steam, pressing Steam settings, then downloads, and then you want to scroll down until you see clear download cache. So you clear it, it'll log you out. You just have to log back in, and it works. So that's what fixed mine. And I know this is a very quick video, but I think the reason it was doing this is because it was automatically trying to get data from your Steam cache instead of your Rockstar or whatever it's doing. So that helped me, but I'm not saying it will help everyone. But if it helps, let me know in the comments and have a good day.